Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ghani Ahmad Ramdhani and I'm from class B. In this occasion, in English for occupational purposes, I would like to present about types of banking. There are private banking. What is private banking? Private banking consists of personalized financial services and products offered to the high net worth individual clients of a retail bank or other financial institutions. It includes a wide range of wealth management services and all provided under one roof. Services includes investing and portfolio management, tax services, insurance, and trust and estate planning. While private banking is aimed at an exclusive clientele, consumer banks and brokerages of every size operate. This offering is usually through special departments, the private banking or wealth management divisions. So, how private banking works? Private banking includes common financial services like checking and saving account, but with a more personalized approach. Relationships managers or private banker is assigned to each customer to handle all matters. The private banker handles everything from involved tasks like arranging a jumbo mortgage to the mundane like paying bills. However, private banking goes beyond CDs and safe deposit boxes to address a client's entire financial situations. Specialized services include investment strategy and financial planning advice or portfolio management, customized financing options, and retirement planning and passing wealth onto future generations. And then the advantages of private banking. Private banking offers client a variety of perks, privileges, and personalized service, which has become an increasingly priced commodity in an automated, digitized banking world. And however, there are advantages to both the private bank's client as well as the banks themselves. So there is disadvantages of private bankings. Also, there are many advantages to private banking and drawbacks do exist to this exclusivity. Disadvantages of private banking. The first one is bank employee turnover. Employee turnover rates at banks tend to be high, even in the elite private banking divisions. There may also be some concern over conflicts of interest and loyalty. The private banker is compensated by the financial institutions, not the client, in contrast to an independent money manager. And the second one is limited products offering. In terms of investments, a client might be limited to the bank's proprietary products, Also, while the various legal, tax, and investment services offered by the bank are doubtlessly competent, they may not be as creative or as expert as those offered by other professionals that specialize in various types of investments. For example, small regional banks might provide service that beats out the larger institutions. However, uh, the investment choices at a smaller regional bank might be far less than a major player such as JP Morgan Chase and Company. And the third one, disadvantages of private banking is regulatory constraints for banks. Lucrative as private banking can be, it can pose challenges for the institutions as well. Private banks have dealt with a restrictive regulatory environment since the global financial crisis of 2008. The Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protections Act, along with other legislation passed in the US and around the world, has resulted in a requirement for private banking professionals that help ensure customers are appropriately advised about their finances. Okay, maybe enough from me. I apologize if I have a mistake. Thanks for your attention. And the last, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.